We're back on another video, and I'm Bunko's cousin, but today none of my cousins are here because I'm at my house and I'm showing you guys my slimes because I was going to do it yesterday, but my mom was like, do you want to go get food? I'm like, yeah, I want to go get food. So we went and got food. Okay. I'm so sorry, Bat is there? Let me wait. Oh my gosh. Just leave me alone. My dog farted. Camera freaking set up. Okay, let's go to the biggest to smallest. I'm just gonna show this one first. It's the second biggest, but I just want to show you because it's not slime, it's Play-Doh. So it's just stinky Play-Doh. And yeah, I added soap and stuff to it, so it's slime now. I'm just kidding, it's not closed. Now, let me go on to the biggest actual slimes. I'll show you all my slimes. This is the I thought that was my mom saying Madeline, but I'm like, why do you sound like that? Okay. I didn't let this sit out long enough, that's why it's like not all off the top. Doesn't sound satisfying because most of them aren't even at the top. Oh my gosh, there's so many foamies at the top, I can't even poke it. Okay, let's poke right here. Oh my gosh, too many foam beads are in this. Let me mix it up so it actually pokes. It's really stiff and stuff because there's so many foam beads. And guys, I still have a teeny bit left. I'm going to add into another slime. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot it doesn't poke. All you poke is foam beads. Baby Derek, if you're watching this, feather! My cousin Baby Derek would only know it because he's the only one who watched a YouTube video with me last night. Frog legs. What the donkey doo-doo? It's really cracky, I just don't think you can hear it on camera. Okay, well, the foam beads come out a little bit, but it's only if you like. They're everywhere now. So, where'd my cat go? Oops. Now let's go on to the next two biggest. Sorry I don't have a lot of slime, it's just that I'm not really a big slime fan. Sorry, just Amira, and just sorry, Amira. This one's like really bad. Like, I added soap and water to one of these, and I have no clue which one. It was like now they both stick to your hand. So there's nothing really to see about this slime or the next one, but I have. Where's my towel? Oh gosh, the towel. Okay. Stop farting, Dioji. Can you hear that? He's just like, okay. first one was loud. Okay. This one is, I guess, a little better. I don't know. Yeah, it's definitely a lot better. But I'm not taking it out of the container. No way. But, yeah. There is them. Why do I keep feeling like someone? Next is this. I had a narwhal slime that, like, it was a narwhal and it sucked and it puked out the slime and it sucked back in, but someone took that slime, so I can't even, like, that was, and it was like $2, so, like, I have no clue why someone wouldn't just buy it. My cousin Barrett probably took it. Can you stop farting? It's so loud. Who the freak is calling me? Oh, it's my girl. Hello?
Thanks, Nate. Appreciate it.
Yeah. So, well, let me ask, guys. Let me ask. Why? Let me ask.
Listen, honey. You can trust Dr. Takara, okay? She's not.
I don't want to know if you can come over. Who the freak is outside?
It's best to be open and honest with her.
I keep hearing doors and everything. Like, what? Did FBI come in to arrest me for making a slime video? Jesus! A dog farting? Okay. I call this chili slime because it legit looks like chili. It's really stretchy. So stretchy. Okay. There's nothing really to do with this one except for squeeze it and stretch it. It's not that stretchy, but it's still stretchy. Now let's go to my lap. Why is it my cup? Is my grandma again? Hello? I don't know. My mom and dad aren't here. Yes, that's what I was thinking. But I gotta hurry up and do my last slime because I said I was calling them, so I gotta be chop chop so he doesn't think that I'm calling. So you see the slime? It's purple. I mean, it's blue. It's the stretchiest out of all of them, and it smells so good because I added scent, and it's from my Poopsie surprise, and it's very shimmery and glossy. Yeah. Stretch. Okay. It farts. Okay. Now, let's me call my mom, ask, and then we'll do, me and my cousin will do a video. Oh, my mom. Come, baby, there. Come over. Can he come over until you come? I know. Can he come over for a little bit?
Fortunately, Urban Attitudes by Lazy Boy is a collection of distinctly styled pieces that mix together perfectly. Urban Attitudes by Lazy Boy. Live life comfortably.
Good. Bye.
Turn cleaning up into child's play. Restored solutions in all shapes and sizes, all from the Home Depot.
I better tell him he can come over.
$159. You can buy online and pick up in store. All at the Home Depot. All aboard, Mother says.
Ring.
Down the hill they climb. They race across the frozen pond. She shoots, she scores, and cries. There's no day like a snow day, a fact you can't deny. Goldfish crackers, the snack that smiles back.
Would you and Teddy like some tea?
Teddy and I would love some tea. I'm having a tea party with my friends at St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. St. Jude freely shares
Do you like a finger sandwich?
Of course, who's finger?
Give thanks for the help.
Thank you. Gee, you got. You can come over. You can come over.
Part of your day looking for promo codes.
He was just like, yes, bye, and hung up. It's classic Derek. Okay, well, anyways, I'm gonna end the video here, and I'm gonna upload the video. When he gets here, the video probably will be uploaded, but anyways. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, smash that subscribe, and if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload. And yeah, bye.